Hey everybody, Jason Wehrli with Wehrli Custom Fab. Today we're going to show you our Fender Flare marker light deletes for the 2020 and newer GMC HD trucks. So you just picked up yourself a brand new 2020 or maybe a 2021 model GMC 2500, 3500 HD pickup truck. You'll notice they've got these bright orange marker lights on the fender flares. This is a design change on the GMC only model trucks starting in 2020. So like many other guys out there, we weren't a big fan of these lights either, so we went to the drawing board. What we came up with is a CAD Designed, CNC machined, billet aluminum marker light delete. This is a simple bolt-on product that replaces the OEM plastic light. There's other options out there, aftermarket fender flares, send in your OEM lights, have them cut apart, painted to match, glued back together. Those are notorious for condensation issues. This is a simple bolt-on product. Remove your OEM flare, install the new block-off plate with supplied hardware, and we even supply a block-off dummy plug for the electrical harness, so you don't have to worry about moisture or shorting out the electrical connector that used to connect the factory marker light. Most trucks come with a textured black fender flare. It's a pretty standard feature on the GMC trucks. So we offer the delete plate in a fine texture black finish, which matches the OEM fender flare perfectly. You can opt to have it with logo or without logo on the exterior of the part. And for the guys doing a custom build, or if you've got custom painted fender flares, we offer the marker light delete in a billet aluminum raw finish so you can have it painted to match. As far as installation goes, there's not much to it. If you can handle removing inner fender liners, you can handle installing these marker light deletes. So that wraps up the billet marker light delete kit for the 2020 and newer GMC HD trucks. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to our sales team or leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe and like the channel and follow us on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to that newsletter for all of our new product updates. Thanks a lot for watching.